Yeah, take.
Oh yeah, no, I trust you.
Why are you acting like you've not eaten chicken before? You talk true. You don't chop this type of chicken before. That way they chop for and they not be foul. That one not foul. Lenga, this one chicken. No, they are in broiler. Chop chicken face.
Now I like you. No, they form. No long thing.
Just snap and stop and wait.
Yeah.
Okay, shift. No, your no.
This girl will not mind me. Waiting be this, Sonia. Okay, waiting you never asked for this movie industry. This girl. Hey, my country people. How that day I don't bring another Wenge video come drop for na domote again. No, see they do and for here. This particular one, you got like here, seriously.
But no way.
Yeah. Ready? You not ready?
I'm ready.
Say they give them the close eye. Do like say you don't know. What they call unlooking?
Unlooking. Why are you talking?
Sharp. See now.
Stay that. I want something. Shift your body.
Oh yeah. I'll give you another angle. See now. This picture wicked, I beg.
So then today, man.
Yes.
Bros, what happen now? What happen? What if you do now? See my leg now. What happen?
I'm so sorry, but I was on the phone.
See. Just see my leg now. See.
I was on the phone.
See me.
Don't I know you?
You know who? See, you know if you carry that leg, come now because all this thing now you go wash up.
You were the one who helped me catch the guy.
Whatever they smell.
I gave you my card to call me. Why didn't you call me?
You give who card, bro? Take this thing. You go wash this cloth first. You go wash this thing.
It's not a problem. Listen, why don't I just take you somewhere to buy you new ones?
You my bros, don't talk nonsense for here. Even this cloth now.
I gave you my card.
Which stupid card? You give me card when?
There's not a problem. I'll buy you.
You don't supposed to. You spoil my shoe.
I'll buy a new one for you.
Sonia Mpakezi Jezinekewe. You no get wetin this girl never do. Thumbs up, Sonia. You be baba for the game.